much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi! And look at what it is! Whoa, it's a real ice cream truck! And today, you and I are gonna learn about ice cream trucks! All right, now let's learn the parts of this ice cream truck on the outside. Whoa, it's so colorful. Whoa, and look, there's some ice cream right here. We have a strawberry shortcake, we have an ice cream sandwich, we have a drumstick, and we have a red, white, and blue ice cream. Ooh, look at these. So cool! They're pink rims, so then the ice cream truck can drive around on the street. Ring, ring, ring. Sweet wheels and tires. Ooh, what's this? Huh, it says, children, slow, crossing. It looks like there's lights. Let me show you. All right, you see this red knob? You pull it out and watch what happens. Whoa! These lights flash orange and the sign comes out from the ice cream truck. So then you know not to get close to the ice cream truck, or at least just be very weary so then you don't get hurt. So we'll keep that out right now. And let me show you something else. Ooh, you see this? This is a switch for music. You hear that music? That means the ice cream truck is coming to you, so then you can get some ice cream. Ooh, and look at right here. Some social media of this exact ice cream truck in Las Vegas, Nevada. Sweet. Oh, and look right here. Look at all these ice cream choices we have. Whoa, this one has the color red, orange, green. Oh, and look at this one. One of my two favorite colors. Orange. Yum! Ooh, a Ninja Turtle. Oh, SpongeBob SquarePants. And let's see here. Remember this one? Yeah, it's on the other side too. It's the strawberry shortcake. Yum! Oh, look at this. This is the window that you walk up to. And this is where you order your ice cream from. Huh. Hello? Hello? Wait a second. No one's in here. I have an idea. Maybe you and I can go inside and serve some people some ice cream. Come on. Woo! All right, now let's hop in the back and serve some ice cream. But first, we need to turn on the generator. This is what provides power to the freezer. Let's turn it on. Whoa! It's like a mini engine that produces power to keep the freezer really cold. But the freezer's already cold, so we can turn it off. All right, let's hop in the back and serve some ice cream. Whoa, the inside of an ice cream truck. So excited. Whoa, this is where the driver of the ice cream truck sits. It's just like a normal vehicle. a steering wheel, a shifter knob, a set of keys. But we're not here for driving. We're here for ice cream. Wow. This big white thing right here, this is the freezer. Let's open it up. Whoa! Look at all this ice cream. All right, let's pick out 5 ice cream bars. Ready? Huh. All right. Okay, got one. One. Ooh. 2. Oh, here's 1. Ooh. 3. Oh, whoa. Oh, over here. 4. All right. And let's see. Here we go. All right. 5. All right. 5. Let's shut this to keep them nice and cold. So right here, we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ice cream bars. But now we need 3 snacks. Okay. How about some popcorn? 1. How about some chips? 2 snacks. Oh, what else? Oh, yum! All right. 3 snacks. So we have 5 ice cream bars and 3 snacks. 5 plus 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yum! All right, now we need to let everyone know on Twitter and Instagram where we are. All right. Have some ice cream here. Let's pass it out. All right. First, we have cotton candy. Who wants cotton candy? Ooh, yum. There you go. There you say.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. We have an ice cream sandwich. Yum.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And a Hello Kitty. Yeah, you're welcome. All right. Enjoy the ice cream.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. So much fun learning about this ice cream truck with you. Well, this is the perfect time for the funny fun ice cream song.
Let's make some ice cream that's yummy yum. Let's make some ice cream that's funny fun. Let's make some ice cream for our tummy tums. Let's make some funny fun ice cream. I like it sweet. Let's make some ice cream with strawberries. I like it sweet with whipping cream and bananas, please. I like it sweet. Let's make some ice cream with strawberries. I like it sweet. Let's make some funny fun ice cream. Let's make some ice cream with chocolate sauce. Warm and gooey nuts and cherries on top. Let's make some ice cream with chocolate sauce. Let's make some funny fun ice cream. Let's make some ice cream with gummy worms. Nom nom nom. Green, red, and yellow yummy worms. Nom nom nom. Let's make some ice cream with gummy worms. Nom nom nom. Let's make some funny fun ice cream. Nom nom nom. Let's make some ice cream that's yummy yum. Let's make some ice cream that's funny fun. Let's make some ice cream for our tummy tums. Let's make some funny fun ice cream. Let's make some ice cream that's yummy yum. Let's make some ice cream that's funny fun. Let's make some ice cream for our tummy tums. Let's make some funny fun ice cream. Yum!
Ooh, look at what I have. This is some toy clay, and I'm acting like it's ice cream, but it's actually a toy, so be sure not to eat it. All right, see? This is like vanilla ice cream. Yum! And this is like chocolate ice cream. Ooh, and look, we have some ingredients. Ooh, like this? Yeah, some strawberry syrup. Okay, let's take off the cap, and here we go. Yum! Ooh, and look at this one. That's like chocolate syrup. Whoa. Oh, let's put some over here again. All right. Yum, that looks tasty. And what we can put over on the chocolate ice cream is maybe some whipped cream. Yum! Here we go. Oh, that looks tasty! Ooh, look at what we have over here. Some more toy molding clay. I think this deserves a cherry on top. Okay, let's take some off right there. And then squish it, squish, 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 squish. And let's roll it up. Ooh, that looks like a cute cherry. Let's put a little dimple up top. Yeah. All right, let's put it right on the chocolate ice cream. Yum! That looks tasty. But like I said, be sure not to eat it. And this one looks like we have some blue and some orange. Blue and orange, my two favorite colors. Let's make some gummy worms. All right, let's take half of this, orange, roll it out. Okay, ooh, look at that, an orange gummy worm. Put it right on top right here. And then let's take the blue and we'll make another gummy worm and put it right there. All right, roll it out. Ooh, look at that gummy worm. Let's lay it right there. And there we have two tasty looking toy ice creams. Yum! Well, this is the end of this video. It was so much fun learning about the ice cream truck with you and listening, dancing, and singing to the funny fun ice cream song. Well, if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! Alright, see you again! Bye-bye! Woohoo! Today we're at the Las Vegas Mini Grand Prix. Oh, and look at these. These are go-karts. And this is a green go-kart. This is a red go-kart. And this is a blue go-kart. I am so excited! Look at these two go-karts. They're my two favorite colors. This go-kart is the color orange. And this go-kart, yeah, is the color blue. Now it's time time for me to teach you the parts of a go-kart. Oh, hey, and look at this. Yeah, it's a go-kart. So the first thing on go-karts are all of them have 4 wheels and tires. See right here? This is a wheel and tire, and it's really small. It's so cute. So this is the first wheel and tire. This is the second wheel and tire. This right here is the third wheel and tire. Ooh. And this is the last wheel and tire. It's the fourth wheel and tire. Whoa. Ooh, and look at this. Yeah. That's the bumper guard. It's there to keep you safe, so then you don't run and drive into things like this. Whoa! All right. Woo! Whoa. Look at this back here. This is the spoiler. They put spoilers on go-karts and super fast cars because it creates some downforce and it adds about 3 million horsepower to the vehicle. Wow, that's fast. Ooh, and look down here. This is the engine of the go-kart. It has an air filter, spark plug, muffler, oil, and so many other things. Well, how the engine gets all of its power is it needs some fuel. Just like how you and I need food, the go-kart needs food too. And right here, right here is the gas tank. Whoa, I think you and I should fill it up and put in some gas in the go-kart. Let's put our safety glove on. Here we go. Wow. All right, put the spout right here. Turn it up. Whoa. Whoa. All right, I think it's nice and full now. So let's put the cap back on. Oh yeah, nice and tight. Then we turn on the on switch right there. Then all you have to do is pull the string. 3, 2, 1. A little harder this time. Even a little harder this time. Yeah, good job. Whoa. All right, so this right here, this is the seat of the go-kart. This is where the driver, me, you, this is where we gonna sit today. So, let's take a seat. Whoa, yeah, I kinda like this. Okay, but first things first, when operating a go-kart, safety first. Let's put on our seatbelt. Just like we're in a vehicle, any vehicle, you should wear a seatbelt. All right, here we go. Oh, and down here, see this? This brake pedal is what you push when you want to stop. Whoa, whoa. And this pedal right here, whoa! That, is the gas pedal. That's what makes you go forward and backward. And this is the steering wheel. Whoa! This is what turns the go-kart. Here we go! Riding go-karts is so much fun! The cool thing about go-karts are there's so many different kinds, like the ones we just rode, and then also these ones. Come look! Look at this! This go-kart is so small! That's funny. Ooh, there's one up here for you and I to ride. Whoa, yeah. This green cart looks like a dandy. All right, we need to turn it on. So, you remember, you put on your glove and then give it a pull. Yeah! Whoa! The cool thing about these small go-karts are anyone that's 38 inches or above can ride. Woo! Whoa! And trust me, I'm above 38 inches. So first things first. Yeah, safety first. Gotta put on your seatbelt. Whoa, 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 nice and tight. All right, now the gas pedal. Here we go. Whoa! Whoa! Did you see that? I just crashed. But since go-karts only go forward, you have to use this tool when you crash into something because you can't go forward anymore. See? It's like a piece of rebar with a hook on the end. Wow. Okay, check this out. Hook it under there. Give it a little pull. Wow, this is heavy. All right. Yeah! Yeah! Now we can go to drive again. Here we go. Whoa! That was really fun riding this go-kart. But I think now is the perfect time to ride the big carts. Wow! Ooh, look at what it is. Wow, this is a big kid's go-kart. Yeah, it's so powerful. It's so powerful, it was even imported from the country of France. Ooh, and check that out down there. Yeah! This go-kart has LED headlights and go to the back. And it even has tail lights. Do you see them? And when you push on the brake, yeah, it even has working brake lights. Whoa, this go-kart is so powerful, you need to be 16 years old and have a valid driver's license. Lucky for me, I'm both. Yeah! So that means we can start it up. So let's flip on the switch and give it a pull. Whoa! It sounds like it has so much power too. So let's take a seat in the seat. And let's put on our seat belt because it has so much power. Whoa. I'm a little nervous, but it's gonna be so much fun. All right, are you ready? Here I go. Whoa! This go-kart is so fast. Learning about go-karts with you. Well, this is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Yeah, Blippi. Let's spell it together. Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi, Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Whoa, look at this fire truck toy. It has a gigantic ladder. There's a real fire truck behind me. Let's put this fire truck toy away and check out some of the gadgets on the real fire truck. Fireman, can you hear me? This is Fireman Blippi. Hey, we're inside a real fire truck. I got my seatbelt on to keep me safe. I even got my headset so I can communicate with all the other workers. Oh, look over this way. That's where the driver sits and steers the fire truck with the steering wheel. Oh, check the back out with me. Yeah, look at all those seats. That's where the rest of the fire workers sit. And there's anywhere from 3 to 6 firemen in the fire truck going to the fire. Let's check out some more of the fire truck. At the base of the ladder on the fire truck, and look way up there. Yeah, there's a real fireman. Let's get him to wave to us. Oh, he's so high up there. He's about 105 feet up in the air. Wow! Hey, now it's about time for me to show you some of the tools and gadgets on a fire truck. Let's go. Whoa! Look, this right here, yeah, this is a hydrant wrench. You use this to open up the fire hydrant. And then this is the stores wrench. Whoa, you use the stores wrench on the inlets of the fire truck. So then you can connect the hose to the fire truck and provide the fire truck with water. But in order to do that, you need hoses. Look up here. Whoa, that's a lot of hose. Okay, now let me show you some more cool gadgets of the fire truck. Whoa, watch this. Whoa! Okay, we got a pickaxe, we got just a normal pick, and then, yep, you can't forget the snippers. Ooh, watch this trick. Whoa! Look at all these cool tools on the fire truck. There's tools inside secret compartments that are inside secret compartments. Wait, hey, come back here. I forgot to show you something. Look at inside this little compartment. Whoa, It's a giant air tank. The firefighters use this to breathe air because you can't breathe in fire and smoke. But in order to use this, you need to wear a harness. Let's go try on a harness now. We just got a fire call. Let's go put on our air pack. All right, this is our air pack. This is compressed air in this big bottle. And then this down here, this is my mask. So let me put it on. Tighten that up, and then you just buckle this in, kind of like a seat belt. Okay, and now you gotta turn on the air. Okay, and then let's put on the mask.
Okay, now I'm breathing air from the air condenser pack back there. Now it's time to go fight some fires. See ya!
Woo! Hey! Whoa! Whoa! Wee! Whoa! Oh! Wee! 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 Wee!
Wow! Oh, you can't forget about the buttons. This fire truck toy is so much fun. Thank you for learning about fire trucks with me, Blippi. B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. Good job. Now you know how to say and spell my name.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun.